What's up, guys? Meron kaming ngayon, podcast. It's gonna be the NBA type of podcast. It's gonna be NBA
Yeah.
fantasy. Something na we really love. We've been doing it since you were in grade school. I was doing it since grade school. Pero wala pang pera nung grade school kasi wala pang pera. Sa Daily Fantasy, which is our major sponsor for today. So, Daily Fantasy na yung lagi namin nilalaroan nga ni Mario.
Yeah.
And we're always looking for bargain players na pwede ilagay doon in our lineups or a player na we think could explode. Pero ngayon,
Yeah.
didiscuss namin sa inyo, sino yung a-avoid?
Yeah. So we started,
A-avoid.
doon natin start, diba? Like, sino yung mga a-avoid natin? I think yung first ko na, like, I would avoid right now is, pag daily fantasy, genuinely, I mean, not in a daily fantasy sense, kasi, this is more on a regular season sense, or like, yung Yahoo na ginagawa namin,
Pero
is
pwede rin i-apply actually for daily fantasy kasi meron silang specific points value dun,
point
di ba?
value,
Parang,
right?
is it
Yeah.
worth it? Parang, Paul
Yeah.
George, at
Ako
first
Paul
di mo
George,
talaga
yeah.
alam.
Yeah. Ako Paul George, like Nico said. Kasi I have Paul George, just to be clear for everybody. I have Paul George in literally three of my
Mm.
leagues right now. Okay. He's in three of my
Ganun ka
max.
ka-high sa kanya. Ganun ka ka-high sa
So,
kanya.
kasi naisip ko na gets ko naman na may Embiid, gets ko naman na may Maxi. Pero, I don't know, it felt like Paul George was the missing piece for me sa sa Philadelphia. So I thought he would play so much better. Pero the injuries, I think, are the ones na medyo malala sa kanya. Barely see him on the court, diba? I think he just came back for the last two games. And whenever he's on the court naman, di naman siya super efficient eh. Um, he's been kind of lackluster when he's on the court, except for today. Today he played decently naman. Today he had
He was
29.
decent today. Siya yung nag-lead
Yeah,
actually.
he was 10 of 16 today. But if you look at his
Mm-mm.
other games, he was 4 for 12, 5 for
Medyo
13,
shit
4 for
talaga.
13. And he doesn't really have the other stats to back it up sa tingin ko. He even had a game where he was 6 for 18. So yung mga ganun, the injuries aren't helping and siguro wala pa siya sa rhythm. So as of right now, for me, I would avoid Paul George in my opinion.
Same. I have Paul George in one of my leagues out of the three. One lang. So hindi ko masyado nararamdaman kasi actually medyo
Mataas na,
nararamdaman ko. I think
mataas na
ano na.
nakuha natin sa kanya. Alam mo yun,
Second, third round ata si Paul George for me.
ako mga third ata. But
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
still kind
second,
of
third
high.
round. I think I got him in the end of the second round.
That's still kind
Alam,
of high sa tingin ko ah. That's
kaya
still
nga, kaya
super
medyo
high.
masakit, kaya medyo
Yeah.
masakit.
Yan yung
Okay,
problem ko.
next one.
You have one. You have one, diba?
Okay, my next one is Tyrese Halliburton. So right now,
That's
Tyrese
fine.
Halliburton is averaging 17 points a game, 3.4 rebounds, and 8.6 assists. Sounds good at first. And then you compare his averages last year. Oh, wait. Let me end this with he is shooting 40% from the field right now. 40. Okay, yeah, whatever, diba? Guard. But if you compare it with last year, rank number 8
Yeah.
in fantasy. So right now he's 42. Last year is 8. Averaged 47% from the field, 20 points a game, 4 rebounds, 11 assists per game. Well, and then yun yung difference. It's more of mas medyo bust siya for me because I have a Halley as my first rounder.
Ah,
Yeah, that's why
it was
bust
a
siya for
major
me.
drop-off sa tingin
It
ko
was a
talaga.
really major
Sobrang
30
laki ng drop-off.
pots drop off.
Yeah, di ko lang bakit. Like, I don't know what caused it. Nothing really changed the
It was
roster.
weird. Nobody can explain.
Kept
Wala
the
namang
same
injury.
guys,
Is it the
right?
fit? Like it's the same people.
It's the
It's
same
the
exact
same
people. It's the
roster.
same exact people. So we can't say that it's the fit. Um, I don't know why it's different this year. Parang he's a little less efficient also. Parang masyado siyang flashy at this point. Pero Indiana just lost kanina to Toronto, not go. So I don't know. There's something kind of off with Indiana right now this season sa tingin ko. They are 9-13, man. 20 in parang 1/4 way through the season. They are 9-13. That's not a great record for a team that has that many players, diba? They have Scott ito. They have Pascal, they have Miles
Miles
Turner,
Turner,
they even
Ben
have
Mathurin.
Ben Mathurin. Yeah.
Mga
So
naglalaro. Ben Mathurin's actually playing really well. I kind
I
of
like
got
Mathurin. I
Ben
like
in
Ben.
my halos one of the last later rounds. He's giving me good value.
I like Ben Mathurin.
I
I don't
like Ben.
know.
Diba? Ben Mat's actually okay.
Yeah, I like him. I like him. He's
But let
actually
me explain this, no? In the past 3 games for Tyrese Halliburton, were all losses. He was the rank in the last 7 days. He was the 50th best player. Not good for
Yeah.
for someone in the eight. I mean, guys, baka sabay magsasabi, okay naman yung top 50 ah. Yeah, but not for a
Yeah,
first
but not for
rounder.
a top first round pick, man. Yeah, say
Where
good
you
job.
build your
Pick
team
that early.
around, 'di ba? 'Di ba yung first
Yeah,
rounder mo, Mario, yan yung okay, ito yung magiging makeup ng team ko. Ano ba yung strengths ng first
exactly.
rounder ko? 'Di ba?
Yeah. And then sa tingin ko nga mali yung, there are certain drafts where mali rin yung first rounder ko. I think I have a draft where my first wait, let me check Confirm ko lang kung sino yung first rounder ko dito sa I have a draft where I think it was Evan Mobley as in my first
First
round.
round,
Yeah.
Evan
I don't know why
Mobley.
I don't know what happened to me there.
Ay, baliw.
I don't know
Iba
what
ka.
happened to me there. I think mali ko lang yun as a person. Like nagkamali lang ako.
Were you like reading his name before
I think
before you did
napindot
your
ko or
draft?
something. I'm not super sure.
Oh, shit.
Pero he's like I think Evan's like a second or third rounder,
He's
not
a
gonna lie.
17th ranked player right now,
Not
17th.
the worst thing in the world, pero ayun nga. Sometimes yung mga first round picks talaga na yung expected, na you think they go well. They just don't pan out. So, sige, Tyrese is a top 50 player fantasy-wise, pero he could have gotten him in maybe the second or third round. And you could have gotten somebody a lot better sa first round, diba?
Yeah, exactly. Now, if we check sa daily fantasy, ano ba yung mga value ni na Tyrese Halliburton, 'di ba? So I'm gonna check now.
Yeah, may
For
game
me
siya.
kasi hindi kasi worth it pa rin eh. For yan no, ay yung points na to use Halliburton is parang well bumaba na yung credit si Halliburton ah.
19?
19. I can share, yeah, I'll share my screen. Sige, wait. Bumaba na. So, Tyrese Halliburton sa Daily Fantasy used to be what do you call this? He used to be 25 to 30. Now it's just 19.
19? Hey,
So,
man.
medyo bargain si
Yeah, I'm not gonna
Tyrese
lie. If he's
Halliburton
19, that's not bad. That's
sa
not
Daily
bad.
Fantasy. Not
Yeah.
bad,
It's
actually.
actually not a bad price for him. 19 is not bad, I think.
Oo.
Even if we just said he's kind of been shit this year. Um, Out of like everybody else, I would argue that Dennis Schroeder is maybe the better option at the point guard position. Ganda na layout ng Daily Fantasy, no? Anyway.
Bago na. They change. Shout out to
Yeah.
Daily Fantasy. It's a better layout. It's cleaner. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
It's easier look, oh. Nakaano na yung mga shooting guards, SF.
Yeah,
And the pictures are nice.
honestly, in this for the game tomorrow, since we're doing this now, for the
Ito,
game
well,
tomorrow, I don't
yeah.
know if I'd pick up Tyrese. I might pick up either Tyrese or Dennis. I think Dennis. I would lean more towards Dennis Schroeder, just because of the fact na wala namang depensa yung Indiana eh. Uh, like not the
Tama.
best
Yeah.
defensive team. So I think Dennis could have a field day tomorrow. He's only 12.5 credits, and I think he produces way more than that
I
tomorrow.
feel like if you get like a Schroeder and like a McConnell, pwede. Schroeder will get your points, McConnell will get your assists instead of
I
like a
mean,
19. So,
there
pwede
has
rin,
to. I think there's somebody
23.5.
better than TJ somewhere there, but I'm not too.
Really? You feel like somebody's better than TJ here?
Honestly, Ben Simmons to me is not a bad pickup. If you
But it's
genuinely,
questionable. Ikaw, magsususpend ka
ayun,
ng
ayun,
11
yun. Yun lang
credits
yung problema. But
yan yung problema.
if he plays, he averages a decent number of rebounds and assists. Yung points, sige, medyo lugi ka. Pero yung rebounding niya and yung assisting niya, not that bad. Let me double check kasi I wanted to pick him up in one of my leagues kaso di ko siya nakuha eh. Naunahan ako.
Yeah, in
Can you
a
imagine?
daily fantasy setting, Ben Simmons is whenever you have the questionable tag kay Ben Simmons, might as well wag nyo na lang kunin.
Yeah. Like here, his last two games, last two games where he played for most of it, he had 7 rebounds, 8 assists, 9 rebounds, 8 assists. He's not that bad. Like if you ask me, he's not that bad. I know he's not a great scorer, he doesn't really have a great percentages, but like I said, not a bad assist and rebound guy.
Yeah.
At the same thing for Brooklyn, Indiana, I think at the center position, can you go to the center position? I think your best option here. Whoa, is that James Wiseman? What is he
But
doing?
he's
Yeah,
out.
yeah. The best option really has to be Miles Turner.
At
Um,
14.5 value.
yeah,
He's been
dude,
giving you
compared to
like
the
production of 30 plus lately. Ito
yeah,
yung trend.
yeah,
30.74 for 14 point. Yan ang bargain.
yeah, bargain kasi against Claxton, who
Ah,
is 13 credits, who provides maybe 5 points less. I would argue the Turner pick is much better. Kung ikaw yung pipili na
may
lineup na to.
difference sila. 1.5 credits lang yung difference.
Yeah,
Tangina,
and then
pati
look
ba
at but
Turner
then
ka?
Miles has shooting, Miles has rebounding. Maybe siya rebounds lamang si Claxton, but then
Ah,
points, shooting, kay Miles Turner ka. Who are the small forward options? Ay, sige, saan ka?
Small forward options. Si
Ayun.
Wilson, this is their rookie, di ba? He
Gagi,
produces.
lahat siya lang ate option eh.
Siya lang yung option kasi lahat out. And well, may Furphy pa naman at si
Siya lang ni option eh.
Taira, 0.06 to 5 credits. Pasok na.
Dahil, dahil siya lang naman pala yung option eh. Gagi, siya lang everybody is playing
I don't
Wilson
think
pero
parang
sad game.
walang option dati si Daily Fantasy to see their trend. Ngayon may trend
Yeah, I
na
like that.
na
I like that.
graph.
I agree. I like that. The
It's
interface
a
is
game
so much
changer.
prettier, not gonna
It's
lie. It's a
better
lot,
na. It's one,
yeah,
two,
I
three,
think
four,
it's a lot
five.
easier to navigate through. Medyo curious lang ako. Sorry, medyo curious lang ako.
Sige.
It's not NBA related. Pero is the MPBL there na?
Meron!
Pwede
Meron!
ko tingin.
Meron NPBL.
I watched the game yesterday between Pampanga and Quezon again.
Ay,
And
wala. Tapos eh, kakatapos na ng game 2 eh. So, we're
yeah,
waiting
2-0
for
yun, di ba?
ano. Oo.
First of all, grabe yung ball. Yung Kurt Rayson kahapon, bro.
Siya yung
I think,
nagwala eh, no? Even without Encho Serrano, Pampanga
yeah,
is still
I think he had like
Pampanga.
27 points, I think, ah. He wasn't missing. I don't know. Maybe Kurt Rayson should play in Dubai because he was not missing a single shot
Who
yesterday.
drafted Kurt Rayson? Do you remember? Meralco? There's a team that
Meralco
drafted
or
Kurt
Converge,
Rayson.
one of the two. Either Meralco or Converge. Nalala ko yun kasi
Yeah.
sabi ko, pwede naman.
Di ba? We had him in
Uh,
a mock draft. I
yeah.
had him for Meralco in my mock. Di ba tayo? Nag-mock draft tayo.
Yeah, I think I had it for Converge. Parang Converge yung kuha ko sa. Anyway, I think Meralco yung punta sa kanya. And honestly, if he is in Meralco, wait, confirm na lang natin. Wait, let me just Google. Kurt
Yeah.
Rayson draft. While we are waiting to check that, everybody go watch Wicked. Um,
Yeah, the best.
what a great movie.
So
Meralco,
tomorrow, Mario, let's
Meralco
like
nga.
people can compete with us sa Miami versus LA na lang matchup. Dito na lang
Okay,
tayo.
okay,
Ito
okay.
medyo tricky rin to ah. Tricky rin ang Miami at LA
Depende
when
kasi
it
sino
comes to picks.
maglalaro eh. Depende talaga sino maglalaro. Pero in
Dilo's
my genuine
performing well
opinion,
pala lately.
I
Let me
think,
check the stats nga for Dilo.
ooh, grabe ba't mas,
28. Ito ba yung
hmm,
trend ni Dilo lately? Pero tingnan mo ah. Rozier, 16.5 credits. Tapos late in the past 5 games to, 20.56 yung value na nabib. Tayo na. Will you ride? I will ride. 12.5?
you
Like,
would
parang
ride D'Lo.
no-brainer.
Depende kasi if Austin's playing eh.
Oh, pero alam mo, who's a good bargain pick here? Si Gabe Vincent. 'Di ba?
Not
Dahil sa
really.
mga injuries nila. Like, at
But,
5 credits,
yeah,
siguro
but
yun yung
then
parang
like,
pang-fill mo lang ng ano.
okay, here's the thing, man. As a Laker fan, I've watched all these games, right? Do not draft that motherfucker. Do not draft that
So,
dude.
don't get him for this game. So, parang, hindi, for 5 credits, for five
I don't matter. It
credits,
don't matter
hindi
what I
pa
get it
rin.
for, dude. It don't
So,
matter.
depende how you feel it. Depends how you feel it. We have 100 credits eh. Okay.
Baka
So,
Rozier dyan, bro. Not gonna lie.
you're gonna get Rozier
Dude,
over
okay.
D'Lo?
Sa tingin ko who the fuck is gonna defend Terry Rozier on the Lakers?
Wala nga masyado. Wala siya masyadong
Who the
stoppers.
fuck is gonna defend Terry?
So,
That's how I
despite
see it.
4 credits more
Pero ano siya
expensive,
mostly points lang kasi siya eh. So, depende on
sige,
what you want.
let's
So, we
get
can get, I
Rozier.
would say Terry pa rin.
O sige, let's
Pero
move on to
shooting
the
guard
shooting.
position
Shooting guard, let's
has
move.
to be Tyler, right? It
Dude,
has to be.
taas
Uy,
ni
grabe.
Leroy.
So, if AR is playing, if he's playing AR,
Questionable. Ito yung mga ano eh.
yeah.
I think advice natin sa tao. Pag may questionable tag, guys, wag na lang. Sayang yung
So,
every spot,
I'm,
sayang. Ibang,
yeah,
ibang labanan sa daily fantasy. It's more of ano
yeah,
talaga eh. You gotta
yeah.
make, dapat
You gotta
sigurado ka
make
eh.
it.
Dapat
Exactly.
sigurado ka eh. Maglalaro ba to?
Yeah, exactly. Honestly, yung pwede mong gawin dito is you can get both Hero and Kinect. I think Hero
Dalton
Kinect is a
at
good.
9.5. Bumaba na
Yeah,
value ni Dalton is 12 the other day.
9.5
He's
is
been
fine.
struggling. Yeah. So we get Tyler and Dalton. So we
Yeah,
get
I think so.
56 remaining.
Pwede naman. Not bad. Small forward, go press it. I dare you
So,
to press
sobrang
it.
hindi ko talaga feel tong
I
7.5
don't like the
kay Duncan
7.5
Rob.
for
Bad
Duncan.
yung
I
kay
don't like
Duncan
that.
Robinson.
Yeah, I don't like
Yung
that.
kay AR, I feel like it's overvalued because of
Wait,
what the...
13.5?
You think that's overvalued or
I think that's undervalued.
really? You feel like it's a 15? It's a 15 guy.
Dude, to me, if Austin is playing, he's the second option eh.
So, feel mo 18 yung appropriate. Parang kasi mas hero.
Something to that. Second option siya eh. Pero if di nga siya naglalaro, iba yung usapan.
Sige. Suma forward. In LeBron,
Everybody,
24.5? He's been
everybody does
struggling.
right now and do not get LeBron.
Yeah, for
Like,
daily
guys, I am
fantasy.
the biggest LeBron Laker fan that I know. Actually, not naman. I know maybe a few more people who are.
Pero for daily fantasy, you won't get him
Guys,
against
he's been
Miami.
absolute dog shit.
Yung
I
45 na to, I think is from past games na nag-accumulate lang. Pero so far yung trend medyo
grabe
bumabasa, di
guys,
ba?
he's been bad. I, I don't know how else to say it except that he's been bad recently. Against Minnesota, he had 10, 8, and 4. Against
Oo.
against Utah, he had well, listen here, he played well against Utah, not gonna lie. But he just hasn't been great recently. Against Oklahoma, 12, 8, and 6. Against the Spurs, I think against the Spurs he was decent. 16, 10, and 11 triple double. It depends, eh. His shooting hasn't been great, if you ask me. And 24.5 credits is a lot. That is basically yung what we have left, no? Like that is basically all we have. That's like half of what we have left. But looking at who is available on the board, I, parang wala kang choice, eh. I think
Yeah.
Jaime, I think Jaime is a
I don't want to
good.
get Jimmy. I might get Jaime here.
I
Just to
think
be
Jaime is
safe.
not bad. Haywood, I think, is okay also kasi may
Haywood
shoot.
Heist. At 6.5, pwede natin balikan to. Kasi
Yeah.
again, we still have 56 credits. It's not like, okay, let's get
I
Haywood
think better
Highsmith.
to fill out the power forward and center first.
So skip mo na ang small forward. It's a
Yeah, skip
position
it.
na mababalikan na lang.
Yeah, I agree.
Sige. Power forward.
Yuck. Oh,
Dude,
yuck.
Roy at 10.5?
I think Rui, you have no
At
choice, right?
10.5?
Yeah,
Kunin mo na.
nobody else is playing.
Yeah. Actually, this is like no-brainer. You get Rui.
Yeah, wala kang choice, yeah.
Oh guys,
Kasi,
para you need at least one player per position. Okay?
yeah.
Sinasabi lang namin. Sinasabi lang namin.
Then at center, oh, that
Probable pa yung isa gago. So, di maglalaro. Pero he's been playing, di ba? So, pag
he's been
probable, kasi
playing.
pag questionable, yun yung delikado eh.
Pero na-injure siya last game, eh, against
Bam
Utah.
na
Parang
lang.
may
Di
nangyari sa
mag-bam
kanya.
ka na lang.
I
So,
don't fully
mag-bam ka
remember
na lang.
what. Pero alam ko na-injure siya onte. Pero not sure what it was. Um,
I might
yeah,
just go bam, bro. I
you
don't
might have
wanna
to go
risk.
bam. Mahal na 28, eh. You
Even
could,
though na ito yung upside niya. Pero
yeah.
anytime there's a tag, I'm like,
Actually, I would take the risk. For me, yeah.
you'll
Like
take the risk, ikaw?
you can keep
Ako,
Bam, but for me, I would take the risk. I'd go
sige.
Anthony Davis. Ako,
Sige.
risk
We have
risk wise.
17.5 remaining.
It leaves us
And we
with
still have three.
17.5 for three
We got
players.
three still players.
But
So
then if
tama nga, babalik tayo kay Haywood Highsmith nga.
yeah, for me it's Haywood. Um, I guess
Gago,
I
11 na lang.
guess Cam Reddish.
Kadiri. Wait lang, si
I,
Cam Reddish pwede pa yun, no? 5.5.
yeah, I guess that's not bad. Then I guess wala kang choice. Kay Gabe Vincent ka na gagyo.
Gagi, pwede si Gabe Vincent. At 5. Gago na sagad natin. 0.5 o 100. I think feel
Yeah,
like
this is
nasagad
so
natin.
Anthony Davis dependent, guys. I'm not gonna lie.
Actually, pag wala si AD, tapos ang ranking mo.
Yeah, this is so AD dependent.
Tapos ang ranking
Like
mo.
if you want to play siguro a bit safer, magano ka na lang, mag-Bam Adebayo ka na lang. Tapos get maybe Jaime instead of Cam Reddish, ganun. Kasi wala kang choice na sa iba, eh. Yung hero Kinect is a good shooting guard position if you ask me. Um sobrang lakas ng two guard ng hero Kinect. Um Power forward, okay naman yung Rui dun kasi
Yeah,
wala
we
kang.
got Hero Connect, no? It was a Hero Connect.
That's a good one. I'm not gonna lie. That's a good setup. Hero Connect is fine for me. If
Mm.
you want, kasi you could drop Connect and maybe get Larson because I know he plays, eh.
Si Larson for 5. Sino kukunin mo? Like, okay, so magkaka-extra.
Gagi,
Wait,
maka
so if
extra. Well, 4.5 credits isn't a lot,
try
not gonna.
natin. Wait, who were the drop? Who are we gonna drop?
You
Connect.
drop Connect, maybe pick
So we
up.
have 10.
Hmm.
Sino bang pwede?
Hmm.
Hackers? Hindi pa tayo
Hindi,
kumuha
eh.
ng Hackers.
Yeah, you can go Jaquez. You can
Over
go.
Connect?
Depende, eh.
Ba,
Depende talaga. I
yeah,
would say
actually.
Connect kasi I'm a Lakers fan. So I will, yan medyo ako, aminin
But
ko
how
na.
is Connect playing recently? Like, di ba
It's
he's
not
been,
bad. It's not great. Not bad.
actually same value
Uh,
sila, no?
6 and
9 point,
3. Yes.
medyo same value sila though. 9.5 Connect, 9.5 Hackers.
Honestly,
Matchup wise though, walang magbabantay kay Hackers.
meron naman. Jaquez, easily defendable
LeBron?
naman sa Jaime. Rui. You can put
Ah,
Rui.
yeah. So connect na lang ako, bro. Magki-connect na lang ako.
Okay, I mean, it can go either way. Depende lang yun sa depensa ng Miami bukas, eh. Kung babantayan nila si Connect, wala
So
akong magagawa.
easy, captain. Actually, ang hirap. Vice captain natin si ano. So guys, ano pala?
Tyler Gagi.
So if daily fantasy, you have a captain na magta times 2 yung ano,
Point.
yung points that you get from them. So obviously, captains oh shit, pero
Tama, tama.
hindi Probable tag nga eh. So si Hero na lang sigurado yung captain or si vice
I
captain na lang si
mean, I
AD.
don't know. Bro, okay, here's my thing, ah. You
Parang
already
go all in na. Mag-all in.
you went
Diyan
all
na
in
rin
na
eh.
kay
All
AD,
in mo
eh.
na.
Nag-all in ka na kay AD kanina, eh. Di mag-all in ka na ngayon. And then
So
Hero,
si
vice
Tyler Hero
captain.
yung,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah.
That's fine.
Oh, okay, before you, so ito yun guys, so you pick up captain, vice captain, so sila yung basic, yung mga tangke ng team mo.
Yeah. Honestly, this might be like this is my favorite feature of daily fantasy. Yung ano nila, yung
Captain,
captain vice captain
vice
thing.
captain.
It's one of my favorite features that they have because wala lang. It kind of tests how good you are actually at picking who to build your team around. So let's see how it goes. Feeling
Yeah,
ko
and you
pala.
have to know trends. Maganda yung nilagay nilang bagong feature yung trends na ano yung average points nila raise or what I have accumulated lately. So, it really helps us as
Yeah.
well to see kung may bargain ba. Kasi sa daily fantasy, it's really bargain hunting.
Yeah.
It's usually the guy that determines kasi yung logic na pina-apply namin ni Mario, I'm sure other players also have that. I think if you just
Yeah.
remotely know and the NBA, you most likely will have the similar captain, vice captain. Ang magde-determine dyan, yung mga flyer picks mo. Can Gabe
Yeah.
Vincent outscore the 4.4 average he's been giving you? Can Cam Reddish give you at least a 10 points? Yun yung magiging determinant eh. Sino
Yeah.
yung magsiseparate sa pack?
Exactly.
So, tiwala kay Gabe Vincent. Tangina niya.
So,
This
yun,
is sama ni Gabe Vincent lately, you know. So, once you confirm you're there, you don't have to pay, guys. Just the rubies. Pero may option for those who want to play using pesos talaga. Yun yung gusto ni Mario, though. So,
yeah.
when you register, you get rubies. If you use my code, Nico, you get 50 rubies agad. Pero para lang pakita natin, Mario, no, merong mga 10 peso entry. So, yung point of entry to just enjoy this is just, eto, meron nga yung price, 10 peso entry, six people. So, ayun. So, pwede kayo mag-load sa wallet and then, yeah, it's
Honestly,
crazy.
me kasi guys, I love the cash option. Uh, like
Just to be honest.
that's just on my personal end. It can be for everyone. It can be for the Ruby players. It can be for the cash players. I'm a cash player, if you ask me. What is the coach shot challenge? Medyo curious ako dyan.
Yeah, he's their major ano ngayon eh. He's part of this challenge by the way. He's so Coach Shot is part here. He's here. That's Coach
Ah,
Shot eh.
really? Siguro
Yeah, he's
sa'yo.
here. He's here.
Okay,
No,
okay,
no, no.
good.
They got Coach Shot kasi as their ambassador. Tapos they really
Yeah.
have like a yeah for Coach Shot challenge. So this is the room na he's in.
Mm,
So the 10 pesos entry. So si Mario sure sasabihin niyo I joined the Coach Shot challenge.
I would join the coach shot challenge easily, dude. I love it. I genuinely love it. It's cool.
So
It's
yun.
cool. I like it. I like it.
Yeah. So may options talaga guys. Meron yung MPBL which Mario likes.
I love
And si Coach Chot nga dito
I'm
eh.
you 100% you put money on Brandon Ramirez, I think, in the MPBL. I'm so excited for that guy to go to NLEX. Kasi grabe yung kain niya, putek. Inuulam niya lahat, bro. It
Oh.
actually is so fun
Even
for
though
me to watch.
naka-seal siya, siniseal siya, nakukuha niya
Grabe!
pa rin eh.
Ang laking katawan, putek. Ang laking katawan. Could be
Very
something to the
Brandon-like.
it could be something to the degree of Ali Peak, yung type of play na bruiser talaga.
Bruiser
Medyo
talaga.
excited ako for him. Medyo excited ako for him.
So yeah, yun lang naman no guys. Daily Fantasy, our major sponsor for today. Thank you. We
Yeah,
really use it. It's something that we use for
yeah,
kami ni Mario at least when we challenge people to our community kasi meron ng NBA cards community. So, doon namin sila nakakalaban. And it's
yeah.
fun. It's a very there's a free entry and there's a Ruby entry which you can get by doing the challenges on the web browser. Web browser pa lang siya, guys. So let's.playdailyfantasy.com. Or if you want to put in like 10, 20 pesos just to up the antics or up the challenge, then you can. 10 pesos, 20 pesos, 'di ba? Instead of putting it in a Starbucks
Sure.
upgrade from tall to grande, just
Yeah.
put it to daily
Hindi,
fantasy.
fancy.
It's literally 10 pesos. It's barya.
Gawin natin 5K ang 10 pesos natin.
Gawin, gawin natin
Gawin natin
5K, 10
5K.
pesos nyo. So yeah, yun lang naman. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much. And we'll see you all next time. Peace.
Peace.